So after a 7-year break, Vivo has officially brought the S series back to India, with the new Vivo S2 becoming the first S series smartphone launched in the country since the Vivo S1 in 2019. The device is said to be aimed at young users who want premium design, creativity, smart features and strong cameras. The Vivo S2 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7360 or 7360 turbo chipset, paired with 8GB of RAM and up to 256 gigs of UFS 3.1 storage. It runs Android 16 with OriginOS 6, and Vivo is promising 3 Android version upgrades plus 5 years of security updates. The phone also supports 90fps gaming in BGMI. On the front, you get a 6.83-inch 3D curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, and up to 3000 nits peak brightness. The device also features an in-display fingerprint scanner. Around the back is a pixel-inspired horizontal camera island featuring a 50MP Sony IMX582 main sensor and a 2MP bokeh sensor, and Vivo's circular aura light ring flash. And the punch hole on the display houses a 32MP selfie shooter capable of 4K video recording. Keeping everything running is a massive 7050 mAh battery with 44 watts fast charging support, and other features include dual stereo speakers, a large 3800mm square vapor chamber cooling system, USB-C, military-grade standard 810H durability certification, IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, underwater photography support, and a display that can be used even with wet or greasy hands. The Vivo S2 comes in sapphire blue, regal bronze and silk white. The silk white version is slightly thicker at 8.10mm and heavier at 199 grams, while the other colors measure 7.99mm and weighs 197 grams. Now, in terms of pricing, the device is expected to start at around 39,999 rupees for the 8GB RAM and 128GB model, while the top tier 8GB RAM and 256GB version cost 49,999 Indian rupees. But the prices converts to about let's say $400 for 128GB model and about $500 for the 8GB RAM and 256GB version, but it's priced in Indian rupees because, well, it's officially launched in India. It's only available in India at the moment. Anyway, these are the top details of the Vivo S2. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.